Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to add text behind objects in Premiere Pro. Okay, now first I have here my Adobe Premiere Pro opened, and now let's drag any footage that we want to add the text behind. So here I have this cat video. I can simply edit it like so, and now I will add a text. So here I will type cat or type here orange cat, and I will do some adjustments to it. Okay, I will increase the font size just like so, then extend the text till it fill in all the video itself, all of my footage. Okay, this is a moving object. Now I will copy this layer down below. So I'll simply click on the Alt key and click on the video, then drag it like so. And now you'll have to go and click on the footage on the top, then go and click on effects, just like so, then search for color key. Now you need to make sure that the foreground is different to the background color. Now I will add this effect to the top video, then go to effects controls here. And now I will go and click on the eyedropper tool, then click on the middle where I have my own text. And now I will adjust this like so till I get the most satisfying result. And this is how we can actually do it. It may not be a perfect result here because the foreground isn't very much different to the background of the photo. But this is how we can actually do it, and these are the steps to do so. And that's all for today. If you found it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.